Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be a Target haul. So if you want to see everything that I got from Target, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I got like 4 bags full of stuff, so let's get right into it. Okay, so the majority of the stuff that I got is for my son. We got him some clothes, and I did get a few things for me. So yeah. So the first thing we got was this Pillow Fort Total Transit cotton sheet set. It's for a toddler's bed. It comes with 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and 1 standard pillowcase. It just has trucks on it, and I want to say this was 20 bucks. There's not a price on it, but I'm pretty sure this was 20 bucks. I know in Walmart you could get like 2 fitted sheets for 20 bucks, but it's Target. The quality is way better and it's worth it. And I work for Target, so I get a discount. So again, still worth it. And yeah, this is what these look like. So the next thing I got was this candle. This is from Chesapeake Bay Candle Home Scents. This is the scent Sea Salt Vanilla. And this thing is freaking huge. Like, it's this almost the size of my head. And it just smells really, really good. Like, it doesn't smell like straight up vanilla. It smells like fresh. So I think this was $13.99. I'll try to leave the prices on the screen. So then we got my son a pair of these stretch straight jeans in a 4T. He's not even 2 years old, but he is long and tall. So we get him sizes up. So this is what they look like. These are $12 and they're pretty long, but we could fold them up and he'll grow into them. And they do stretch at the waist, which I like because I hate buttoning jeans on him. It's such a pain, especially with these. And then we got him these, which were $10. These are straight, like khaki jeans or pants. And they're super soft as well. And again, these are 10 bucks. They also stretch at the waist. I don't know, I really like this color. So yeah, I really like the quality of Target jeans. Like, they're super high quality. So when we went last night, we took my stepdad with us, and he got some Christmas gifts for him and then some clothes as well. And he got him this 2-piece onesie like pajama set. This is a 3T and it looks crazy long. Like, what? And then it comes with 1 in black. These are super cozy. I mean, he never liked them when he was a baby. I'm hoping he likes them now. And then my stepdad also got him some socks because he needed them. And these are 2T to 3T. We didn't want to get him just plain white because those get dirty super quick. So when we first walked in, I saw this shirt and I was like, I want it. So I grabbed it and I got it. This was $8. I got a size medium because these look really big. Normally like a large, but it's like an orange cream striped shirt. Super cute. So I got that. Then we got my son this really cute Mickey Mouse robe. And this was $14.99. It's super like plush like. And it comes with a little like string to tie it. It's super cute and super soft, and I can't wait for him to walk around the house in this. So then we got him some pajamas. We got him a set. This comes with 2 pairs of pajamas for $15.99. So this one says Roaring Through the Snow. Super cute. Comes with a shirt and like pajama pants. And then there's this one that also has a shirt and pajama pants. So $15.99 for 2 pairs, not a bad deal. So then we got him another pair of jeans, and these are $10, and they're straight jeans. They don't stretch. I mean, yeah, they don't stretch, but they look pretty nice. Super cute. Then we got him a few shirts. So the first shirt is like this black long Johnny type of shirt. This was $5.50. It's like blue and white specks on it. I think it's cute and warm. This is in a 4T and it's a long sleeve. Then I got this shirt in a 3T. This was $7, but it's like a mustard yellow. Super cute, and it's also a long sleeve. And we got him this basic gray long sleeve as well. This one is in a 4T, and this one was $5.50. He already has a crap ton of shirts, so he didn't really need shirts, but we did rack up on jeans. And then we got him this like cap that says NASA on it, and this was $8.99. There was like only 2 left, so I grabbed it. I do need like a lint roller because it's a bit dusty around there, but it's super cute. And then the last thing I got was this wall calendar for 2020. Super cute, super simple, and I'm probably not even gonna put this on my wall. I'm probably just gonna stick it on my desk because I needed something for my desk, but I didn't want a super huge oversized desk calendar, so this was $1. So that is everything that I got from Target. If you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below if you liked anything that I got, or if you have any questions about anything that I got. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. On that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!